It's Easter Sunday 2022. The weather is incredible. We're just walking up to Marie's mum and dad's, and there's some bluebells out. I think on the way back we might go through the bluebell wood. We were just walking down the hill towards Great Barr Hall for the first time in ages, and we've walked up here a few times, but just to see what they've done here. I mean, some people are sad that the old wall's gone, but the new wall they've built is fabulous, and it's like a walled garden. They've got a little path going up the middle with some trees, and they've put walls all the way around. I know this might be controversial to say it, but I think it looks really good. Do you hear a woodpecker? Yeah, this is the first time that I've filmed the bluebells on the new GoPro. Looks like they're just getting started. Still 100%. This is what I wanted to film yesterday, but the battery had gone on my GoPro, and it does this weird thing. It just completely shuts down after 5 minutes. Anyway, I'll shut up and just listen to the sounds. Over to the left there, it's just like a blanket of blue. It's unbelievable. I think this is the first time that I'm sure this is the first time I'm filming this on this camera, which is it's very stable, I'm hoping. One of those just came right over the top of us. There's a cricket club, and I don't know what that guy was spreading there, but it wasn't muck. Yeah, this is the wood. I wanted to film this last time, but the battery had gone on the GoPro. We've just walked from St Margaret's Church along the road. We passed a couple of horses. There was quite a lot of rubbish. Nothing like as bad as we went to Sandwell Valley a few weeks ago, and it was so bad down there. This is it's a quarry actually, and if we follow this route up here, it'll take us up onto the beacon. Okay, the battery's on 92%. You know, I think it's time to start filming all the rubbish. I'm going to do a litter pick this week. I'll film that as well. But yeah, the last time we came here, I thought it was a bit cleaner than this. It looks like they've chopped down a load of stuff, doesn't it? But a load of rubbish dumped as well. But yeah, look at this. Look at this. I don't know what you can see on there. The sun's right up ahead. Yeah, this is the quarry. And there's that sandstone. It says Burt on it. And danger. Yeah, I'm sure the last time we came here, yeah, it was much more overgrown. I think there was trees all down to the left. They've really tidied it up. Funnily enough, Geo Wizard was talking about the Black Country yesterday. And this is a Black Country geopark, so... Global geoparks are a unique collection of special places around the world, primarily recognised for their geology. All of these are internationally important. A global geopark links together many sites and features across a landscape to explain how it was created. Oh wow. The Black Country is a place where coral seas, steamy swamps, scorching deserts, icy wastelands, mines and furnaces created unique and wonderful landscapes over 430 million years of geological time. Wow. There's one called Bumble Hole as well. Just had to point that out. This is how you do it. So we've got 88% on the battery, and we're... Did you say this is called Dobank? Dobank. And we've just been through a little park. So we went up over the beacon, down through Dobank Park, and look at the view from up here. It's unbelievable. So these people basically live halfway up the beacon, don't they? Right up on a hill. It's lovely, and it almost, because you can see so far, it's like being in the countryside, isn't it?